It's been a vicious Monday, really. 88,826 is where we're shutting shop. A good 310-point decline is what you've seen in the Nifty futures, and the breath has been equally horrible. As I see on my screens, media led by Z, banks, which is a long list, financials. In fact, all sectors have managed a red close for themselves. Within the Nifty, it's been IndusInd Bank, which has been the biggest eyesore, goes home with a 10.25% fall. Eicher Motors, which falls roughly about 8%. Look at what's happening to financial blue chips like HDFC. That's down 7.5%. Bajaj Finance falls 7.25%. Axis Bank goes home with a 7.25% fall. ICICI Bank as well, roughly around that level as well, in excess of a 7% fall there as well. Maruti falls 7%. You've got a Bajaj Auto falling about 7%. SBI down 6.5%. This is well below its previous 52-week low. And HDFC Bank as well, which has taken it on the chin by about 6% as we speak. And it's equally bad when it comes to the financial pack as well. M&M Finance down 17.6% on the futures. Equitas goes home with a 15.5% loss. Chola Finance 15.5% cut there as well. Indiabulls Housing down 14%, and PVR, quite a rough day for this one, loses about 14.25% today in trade. Handful of winners, and that's largely from within the IT universe. Mindtree holds out, TCS looks good. You've besides that got an Infratel which is looking good. Infosys as well goes home a winner, and Cipla after its earnings, of course, is the big winner today, or the most decisive winner, I should say. About a 5.5% up move is what Cipla has seen. But besides that, Avan, it's all been a deep sea of red.
As carnage, and that's not been spared when it comes to the broader universe either, because you can see deep gashes coming in within that basket too. I just want to flag off then what has been hogging the limelight today. A lot of those banks, as you flagged off, Aisha, because remember there's been the IBC suspension as well for a year, and that has put the risk of a lot of these lenders at risk, and the exclusion of the COVID-related debt under the framework as well. That has been something that a lot of the banks are reacting to. Not just that, you also have Reliance Industries that's in focus. Remember, they've now scored their fourth check coming in with the latest deal with General Atlantic. Close to 6,600 crores is what they're going to pump in their attempts to lower their overall debt. There's Airtel as well. That's in focus with the back of earnings that are closely being eyed on that candidate. So it's a sea of red coming in, and we've started off the week on a very tempered note, with all indications pointing towards further downside, more pressure, consolidation for the equity markets.